Hi guys, it's David from August University, and today we're going to talk about some cryptocurrency updates, what's going on with the market, what I think is going on with Ethereum, Bitcoin, Hex, Pulse Chain, and just what's new overall. So let's get to it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, things have been pretty bullish over the last 7 days for cryptocurrency. I know a lot of things have been going on in the world. We've been seeing, a lot of things going on in government, etc. But the last 7 days, we're still seeing bullish movement with Bitcoin. And with Bitcoin moving up, that gives signs that Ethereum is going to follow. So Bitcoin in the last 7 days, about 11% progress. Ethereum 13.3 and everything else moving up with it. Okay, so we saw Cardano move up 20%. We saw Terra move up 15, Solana 20. So things are coming back to life when it comes to the market. It was straight up NFTs for a long time, guys. And I think NFTs will still have popularity and continue to grow. But I think it's time for the bull run to happen very soon. Hopefully it's not a fake out, but I think it is going to happen very soon in the next few months to maybe a year to a year and a half from now. It may continue, right? So we still never seen that $100,000 Bitcoin. We still didn't see Ethereum get to, crazy levels. So this is a huge opportunity to do so. Now, you guys know that I'm big into Hex and what's going on with Pulse Chain as well. You don't see Hex on correctly labeled on CoinGecko here. So I like to throw on Nomics. Now, I don't love Nomics myself personally, because you don't get that 7-day view. If you guys know how to do that easily, please let me know down in the comments. But you can see the realistic numbers when it comes to market cap. Okay. So Hex is right now at 14 cents, 14.85 cents basically. And it's got a long way to go to get back to all-time high, guys. I still believe in the project. I'm still hodling, but Richard has been going crazy with the testing in a good way. You see all his updates on Twitter, but it's kind of been random, guys. Don't say the wallet either, guys. There's a drop-down test, different version numbers. So a lot of testing on the back end for Pulse X, Pulse Chain. The Bitcoin debate was great fun. Love how it was a real conversation, a good length of 2.5 hours. I need to watch this. If you guys didn't watch this, you need to tune in. I'm going to watch this most likely tonight to see how he did there. Hopefully that didn't affect the dip in Hex today. But yeah, I've been following his Twitter. I can see the watch collections and stuff like that. Personally, I don't really care about the flashy watches and all that stuff. I think it's hilarious, but at the same time, I just want to see what Hex is doing as a community. I want to see what Paul Shane is doing as a community. I want to see what's happening with the project. Yes, it's awesome that we have $5 million of watches. I just don't care at this point. I do love Richard. I love what think he's a genius. I just don't care about the fancy stuff as much anymore. That being said, if you guys like it, I still want to do my Hex Flex one day. But for materialistic things, for me right now, I don't really care. I'm just trying to build up my family, build up some assets, and live a life of freedom and abundance, right? I'm definitely a Hexican for life, Pulsechainian for life. But you got to live by your own rules, man. Live by what you believe in, and that's key, right? But if you look at the tweets, like he's been going pretty tweet crazy. This is an elected official voting on the future of cryptocurrency. But Richard's always been doing this. He's always been going crazy. He had one comment about Will Smith's slap. There you go. World is going to such crap. Even people in tuxedos are beating each other. Now, to talk about that, I thought it was pretty much uncalled for. I think Chris Rock kind of went a little bit too far on that joke, but I think probably mental health stuff going on with Will led him to do this. Was it right or wrong? I don't really know. Personally, I don't think it should have been done at that time. Maybe talk about it afterwards and then kind of settle your disagreements. But it is what it is. It was in the moment. Mental health concerns there. I think with the marriage and everything. But I think Will is a good person, so I just don't think it was necessary. But other people will say that you're defending your wife, your family. That's priority, which makes sense. But right in front of everybody at the award show, it's not a good look, right? Anyways, he got viral for it. So he's already viral, but you know what I mean. Anyways, what do I think is going to go with Ethereum? I think Ethereum will continue to grow. I'm actually going to show you guys this algorithm that I use here. This is for Hex. So on the day chart, it's still at a buy signal, but on the 4 hour, it's on the sell. So we flipped to sell right now. But on the day chart, we're still moving. So this was the all-time high here, right? And we had a little bit of movement back upwards, but it's been a challenge, guys. It's been a challenge to go back. Everyone's waiting on Pulse Chain. If you guys don't know what Pulse Chain is, it's a fork of Ethereum to reduce fees, Ethereum gas fees, and you're going to use Pulse token, and you're going to get duplications of all your ERC20s and NFTs duplicated over. So I think it's ingenious. I think it's smart, and I sacrificed for it. There was a sacrifice phase. I also sacrificed for Pulse X. Okay. That being said, there's a lot of unknowns when it comes to what Hex is going to be worth on both chains. So I'm still waiting, and I'm hodling my Hex bag. I think we will slowly trickle up as the bull market continues. Hex does its own thing, though. It really does. But I think it still will follow the market. Okay. Now let's actually go to Bitcoin, right? So on the day chart, we did move into buying territory. So hopefully this is not a fake out. Okay. Hopefully this is not a fake out. All-time high was about 67, right? 67, and then we fell downwards and kept going and going and going downwards. Right. So now this is, we're almost there. We're almost there. And then if we continue to go upwards, then we're going to try to get past a previous all-time high if we're still bullish and move towards that, finally to that 100,000. And I think we can actually get to like 120, 130, maybe even 200,000 all-time high. But, government's crazy right now. So, but I would like to see that. And then it'll push forward all the other cryptocurrencies as well, Ethereum included. We hit about close to 5K. I think that we can actually get on the next bull run, if this is the next bull run, up all the words up to 10K, 12K. It could be something like that. But you never know, guys. This is never financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But I'm very bullish on what's going on with crypto. I'm actually with a team. We're working on an NFT project right now. So I'll keep you guys. In touch with what's going on there. But I've been flipping NFTs like crazy. A couple of projects I'm in right now, earning some rewards. I'm big in NFTs. I love it. But I'm gonna start paying attention a little bit more on the trading aspect of cryptos as well, and just kind of dollar cost averaging in at the right prices. If you guys are interested in this algorithm software, it's called Lux Algo. I'll include a link down below for you guys. It gives you the buy and sell signals pretty easy to follow. You can even shrink down to like the 15-minute chart here if you have it super sensitive, right? And you can just take quick profits on the 15-minute or 30-minute or whatever. So in the 15-minute, if you would have bought in here at 3,398 and sold at 3,400, right? You would have made a little bit of profit there. You can keep flipping stocks, crypto, whatever you want. So I'm gonna be getting back a little bit into that as I have a little bit more time in the day. I've been busy with family and everything. But if you guys are interested in the algorithm software, the tools, the algorithm tools, it's called Luxalgo. I'll include it down below. And I'm very bullish, guys. I'm very bullish on the crypto space. I'm bullish on what's happening with Pulse Chain and Hex as well. I just, it's good to see things moving upwards again. I'm just not, like I said, I'm not sure what's going on with the Hex Pulse Chain. How I believe Pulse is going to be extremely useful for the first while, but as Ethereum updates to Ethereum 2.0, which will happen, and lower gas fees, it's gonna be less of a concern. So I'm just waiting to see what happens. I know with Pulse is only going to be pennies, like a few cents per transaction, and Ethereum right now has been costing about $30 to $60 a transaction. It was really low the other day. I was doing some NFT transactions that cost me like $10 or $12, but still, it's still a lot compared to where it could be. So I'm still kind of waiting to see, honestly. But I'm bullish on Hex, I'm bullish on Ethereum, bullish on Bitcoin. Tell me what you guys are aping in on. I bought some Ape Coin, just hodling that. Yeah, I'm just trying to stay positive. Hopefully everyone's good. Hopefully your families are doing well. I'm getting a little bit more of my time back with family, so it's a quick update there. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys stay positive, be around positive people, do things you love, stay bullish, and I'll see you guys in the next video.